It is the Congress that is now crying conspiracy in the Swati Maliwal assault case. Congress is saying videos are contrary to the claims being made by Swati Maliwal. Congress is now claiming it is the BJP that is blackmailing Swati Maliwal. The BJP is now making statements, tall statements on Swati Maliwal at the party's mum on Prajwal Revanna's case.
लेकिन प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को लेकर के चुप है, भाजपा मणिपुर को लेकर के चुप है, भाजपा ओलंपिक पदक लाने वाली बेटियां जब जंतर मंतर पे घसीटी गई तो उस पे चुप है। भाजपा दरअसल अपने हिसाब से नारी सशक्तिकरण की बात करती है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ये तो कहते हैं कि बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, लेकिन वो उन्नाव पर चुप थे, वो हाथरस पर चुप थे, वो सोनभद्र पर चुप थे, वो देश में होने वाले महिला अत्याचारों पर चुप थे, बिल्किस बानो पर चुप थे, लेकिन आज उनको स्वाति मालीवाल पे बोलना है। स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में मुझे लग रहा है कि कानूनी कार्रवाई अपना काम करेगी। जांच हो, जांच रिपोर्ट के बाद जिस तरह के वीडियोज सामने आ रहे हैं वो देखने के बाद जो एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी वाली थियरी समझ में आ रही है वो तो जांच के खुलासे के बाद ही पता चलेगा।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are fighting the Delhi Lok Sabha elections in an alliance. It is the Congress which is now coming to Aam Aadmi Party's rescue by pointing fingers at the Bharatiya Janata Party.
True, Aishwarya, it seems that India Bloc has also taken a line in the Swati Maliwal case. The Congress Party's Imran Pratap in a statement saying that, the BJP is being, they remained mum over the issue of Prajwal Revanna, on Manipur, on Bilkis Bano, and now they are, being aggressive on the issue of Swati Maliwal. It is important to note out here the way the Congress leader has spoken as to when the videos are coming out one after other, it is actually putting a question mark on the claims of Swati Maliwal, and there's a sense of conspiracy theory that is coming out. And they're saying, let the police investigation find out as to what is the reality. So clearly, a defense of Aam Aadmi Party also coming from Congress, which is fighting the elections, the Lok Sabha elections in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital. Aishwarya.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us all those details. The Congress now coming to Aam Aadmi Party's rescue by pointing fingers at the Bharatiya Janata Party.